I'm going to open up the app, log in, choose my project, and then go to the report. This is a concrete issue, missing block out. Take a picture, take a full view of where it's at, mark it up so it's easy to find. Take another picture of the detail. Highlight it. Then going to assign it to the contractor. I could do this again for another issue, but I'm just going to go and email it, the open deficiency, to the contractor and send it right away. So when they get their email, it looks like this with all the details that I just entered, and we're done.